TelePresence is a face-to-face collaborative meeting environment without the hassles, the inefficiencies, and the costs associated with traditional travel.
It's also a green technology, so they're collaborating without flying around and using the various forms of transportation which will create carbon.
No company can keep operating they've operated in the past and become a global company.
To have everybody travel, that's not, from a sustainability perspective, something that we want to continue to promote.
Applied Materials for some time now has embarked upon a green strategy. We are all incorporating that into our various functional areas of the organization. The primary issues that we were trying to address when we began looking at telepresence as a technology was travel, was our carbon footprint.
MediaSaturn is the #1 electronics retailer in Europe. We're present in 15 countries. So you end up with multiples of business flights, business trips, and one of our challenges is to manage growth. It's just great to sit across the table with someone else from a totally different country. They could be 1,000, 2,000 kilometers away.
It is about changing the world, and it is about doing it and growing the economy in a economically and in a socially and environmentally responsible way. I do not think I'm underestimating that.
TelePresence is enabling us to be able to work as if we're one cohesive team in one location, independent of geographic boundaries.
I've been able to reduce my travel not only by 20%, but probably by 30%.
We're making distance irrelevant for collaboration.
If we can eliminate 2 out of every 4 trips that we make because we can have the same quality of conversation via telepresence that we would have if we got on that airplane, we make substantial improvements in clean air. Our goal is to reduce carbon emissions with an ultimate goal by 2012 by 50,000 tons.
We're building technology that's helping us change the way we work. We have a huge role to play in that sustainability promise that we're making to our shareholders as well as our employees. If you look at Cisco's mission, a big piece of this is how we work, and telepresence is directly tied to that. It's not only about reducing our carbon footprint and improving our sustainability promise, but how do we also help our customers and our partners use it so that they can also share in the reward of productivity and some of the benefits we're seeing.
This is an undeniable problem that none of us can solve by ourselves. And the neat thing about it is, as you solve it, you can get economic growth, we can cut the emissions, and we know how to make dreams come true in Silicon Valley.
This is a technology that's business changing. It really is.